How to reduce tax debt on back taxes without facing penalties. There's a little known IRS program that can instantly slash thousands off your tax debt, but most people never even ask for it. Let me tell you something that might shock you. Nearly every person who owes back taxes is paying thousands in unnecessary penalties. I've helped hundreds of truckers and small business owners resolve their tax debt. Most of them had no idea they could get these penalties removed. Today, I'm going to show you the only two legitimate ways to get the IRS to remove these penalties from your tax debt, and why most tax resolution companies won't tell you about them. The first time offender program. Here's the thing most people don't know. If this is your first time owing back taxes, you automatically qualify for what's called the first time offender program. It's like a get out of jail free card with the IRS. The crazy part, you have to specifically ask for it. The IRS won't just give it to you automatically. I've seen this program save clients anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 in penalties just by knowing to ask for it. The reasonable cause exception. Now, what if you're not a first time offender? There's still hope, but this is where it gets tricky. The IRS will consider removing penalties if you can prove there were circumstances that were beyond your control. But here's the important part. And you need to pay attention because this is where most people mess it up. Being short on cash doesn't count. The IRS considers this a choice you made, not circumstances that were beyond your control. What actually qualifies? Let me break down what the IRS actually considers valid reasons for penalty removal. We're talking about major life events, natural disasters that destroyed your records, severe illnesses that left you hospitalized, or death in the immediate family. These aren't just excuses. You need documentation to prove these circumstances actually prevented you from filing or paying your taxes. I recently had a client who lost all their records in a hurricane. That qualified. But another client who simply forgot to file because they were too busy, that didn't qualify. Here's the bottom line. If you owe back taxes, you need to check if you qualify for the penalty removal before you do anything else. These penalties can add up to tens of thousands of dollars, and in many cases, they can be completely removed with the right approach. If you want to find out if you qualify for penalty abatement, click the link below this video and schedule a free consultation. We'll review your situation and tell you exactly what options are available to you. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, because next week, I'm going to show you how to prevent the IRS from seizing your bank accounts while you're working on resolving your tax debt.